Hi everyone, welcome to dataset. We have started a new challenge, and in this challenge we learn one Excel formula every single day. And today we will learn a new formula. For becoming a part of this series and for supporting, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support me with a like and comments. So let's start. Today's formula is COUNTIF. The COUNTIF formula allows you to find the number of cells in specific range that meet only a single criterion you define. Now, for example, in this dataset, we can use the COUNTIF formula to find how many tickets we have in open status and also the closed status. So for applying the formula, I click the cell first and then type the equal sign, then type the COUNTIF. You can also choose it from here. And then I choose the range. Range is where is your criteria stays. For example, my criteria, which is the open status, stays in the status section. That's why I choose a status column. And then type the comma and then select your criteria. So you can also select from here, or you can also type the open in double quotes. And when you close the parentheses, you will see the result. So let's do the same for the closed status. I type the formula again and then select the range and type the comma and I choose criteria, then close the parentheses. So in this video we just learned how to use the COUNTIF formula and how to use it properly. And I hope you find this video very useful. See you next video.